Hi everyone, I'm a Filipina married to a Korean man. Yes, this is Paul, my baby, my daughter. We are selling onigiri kimchi flavor. So, ayun na nga, sumasideline kaming mag-asawa by selling onigiri. Actually, wala kaming pwesto, inuusog ng baby ko yung swa. So, ayun nga, akala ng mga tao kapag may asawa kang foreigner, marami kang pera, successful ka na. So, akala lang nila yun. Pero I'm here, I'm helping my husband to earn money. So, yun. Yung husband ko, preparation niya is 3 hours, 31 pieces, kimchi onigiri. Ako naman, naglakad-lakad, 1 hour and 30 minutes. And yes, I'm pregnant. But I think hindi naman hadlang yung pagiging pregnant ko para hindi tulungan yung husband ko para kumita. Especially yung laundry shop namin is napakatumal talaga. Actually, yung husband ko talagang ginagawa niya yung best niya para sa aming pamilya niya. And I can say na proud ako sa kanya and hindi ako nasisisi na siya yung pinakasalan ko. So, this is our onigiri, kimchi. Luto ng husband ko. At isa sa favorite ko yung kimchi pork. But ito naman is kimchi lang siya but especially yung pagkakagawa niya. Hindi siya maasim, a little bit sweet, but mild yung flavor.
Yummy!
Napakarami sa atin yung nagtatry ng ganitong setup, hoping na maybe one day ma-monetize tayo at earn ng money from here. But no matter what, I enjoy this. We should never give up on our dreams. Especially for me, dami talagang problem but hindi excuse yun para mawalan ng pag-asa. Kung may talent lang ako sa pagkanta like professional voice, kakanta ako sa harap nyo. But anyways, please support our small channel, like, subscribe. So, yung puhunan namin sa food, do you think how much? 8, I think 8 or 9,000. So, kailangan namin maglako 1 week. Naranasan ko ng magbenta. I think, nung naging mother ako, parang nawalan ako ng, alam niyo yun, hindi na ako nahihiya, kapal na ng mukha ko.
What?
I can talk to people face to face. Actually, I'm introvert. INFP daw. Based doon sa result ng ko ng personality test. Talagang before, tatawa ako. Pero yun na nga, when it comes to business, wala sa lugar dapat yung pagiging mahiyain. Kailangan mo na, you have to learn how to communicate at gamitin yung skills. When I can, I will try na mag-record kung paano. Yun lang, talagang may bag lang ako na eco bags, nakalagay doon mga onigiri, tapos aalokin ko yung baka gusto niyo ko i-try itong onigiri. For those people na nasubukan yung onigiri namin, ng husband ko, we will do our best na i-improve pa yung service namin and yung flavor. We accept feedback kahit na sabihin nyo na hindi ganun kasarap, hindi masarap. So, that way, ma-improve namin kung ano yung dapat namin i-improve, mapalitan kung ano yung dapat palitan. It's a big help. So, yun, hindi tayo mayaman. Kaya, kailangan natin na magsumikap at alisin yung mga excuses sa ating isipan na parang, oh, I cannot do this, I cannot earn money, ang dami excuses. Kahit na mabagal yung pag-usad ng followers, ng subscribers sa YouTube, TikTok followers, I think it's still a big achievement kapag may isang nag-support sa amin. Thank you so much. So, tiyagaan lang talaga kahit na mabagal yung pag-usad ng mga subscribers. At least meron ako memories na makagawa at mapapanood ng mga anak ko when they grow up. So, Suwa and Sojungi, when you grow up, mapapanood nyo to. I hope na one day, actually, we will do our best ng apa nyo to give you a better future. Bukas ulit, ang husband ko at ako ay magbebenta ulit ng onigiri kimchi somewhere. And I hope maubos namin yun at mabilis namin mabalik yung return of investment. Mahirap ang buhay, pero mas mahirap ang buhay kapag wala kang ginawa. You have to think kung paano kumita, paano mabuhay. Hindi pwedeng umasa ka sa ibang tao. Just do your best. Kahit maraming problema sa buhay, ayokong magmukhang honey. Ayoko magmukhang lugmok sa buhay. Kaya kung may problem tayo, I think it's better na hanapan natin ng solusyon. Pero I think ang mahirap doon is, for example, ang dami mo ng utang, tapos uutang ka pa para pantapal sa utang mo. I think unlimited problem yan. Kaya as much as possible, kung makakagawa ka ng way para kumita, do it. Kung kinakailangan mangalakal ka, do it. At least hindi ka baon sa utang. Pwede mo yung pang-start ng business kahit maliit. So, fighting sa Korean culture. Honey, in Korean culture, is it fighting? Aja-aja?
Aja-aja fighting!
Aja-aja fighting. Pero next month, manganganak ako. So, I have to focus sa may recovery ko. Pero after that, I'm going to find job so I can help my husband also because ayokong umasa. Please support our small channel, like, subscribe.
I just had to let you know you're